In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Pottery Barn Kids discount codes. If you love shopping for stylish decor, furniture, and accessories for your kids' rooms, but are looking to save some money, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into some handy tips that can help you snag those discounts. First off, head over to the Pottery Barn Kids official website. You're going to want to look for sections labeled coupons and deals or offers. This is where they usually feature any ongoing promotions directly on their site. It's always a good idea to start here because these offers are verified and directly from the source, making sure there are no hiccups at checkout. Next, consider signing up for their email newsletter. Often, companies like Pottery Barn Kids offer a welcome promo code when you do so. This initial discount can be something like 15% off your first purchase, which is a fantastic kickstart to your savings journey. Plus, being on their mailing list means you'll be in the loop for future sales and exclusive discounts. Another great resource is coupon code websites. Websites dedicated to sharing promo codes are definitely worth a visit. Just search for Pottery Barn Kids promo codes, and you might find several active codes that offer discounts such as 20% off or 15% off. These websites compile various coupons from a range of sources, so keep an eye out for potential savings there. However, always double check the validity of these codes, as they might be expired or have specific restrictions. Also, be sure not to overlook clearance or sale sections on the Pottery Barn Kids website. These sections are where you can find many products marked down from their original prices. During special event sales, additional discount codes might be available, and applying them to already discounted items can lead to significant savings. Finally, once you're ready to make a purchase, head to the checkout page. Here, you'll look for a box labeled something like promo code. This is where you'll enter your discount code. After typing it in, make sure to click apply to see how it affects your total. Just a quick reminder, always confirm that your items and total cart value meet any specific requirements of the discount code. Sometimes there's a minimum purchase amount or certain exclusions, so double check before finalizing your transaction. By following these steps, you can enjoy your Pottery Barn Kids shopping experience while making it more budget friendly. Happy shopping, and I hope you score some amazing deals.